Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Toyota RAV4 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here and just that button right on the right side of your steering column, and we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice. If you have the key, then go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now when you get here, go ahead and make sure that you're on the trip A. If you're not on the trip A, go ahead and press that button to go find trip A. Just like that. Now when you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car. And now at the same time, go ahead and press that button earlier and hold it. Okay, press and hold. Give me a second. Now turn on your car without starting, and you should see that warning light blinking and that runner's blinking just like that. And that's how you do it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.